If your Dell laptop's keyboard is not working, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply fix it. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So the first step is that you want to go over to your settings. So click on the start option and then click on settings. Once you do that, what you're going to do is that you're going to go over to accessibility. So click on the accessibility option and then scroll down and select keyboard. Once you do that, you want to make sure that the filter keys option is turned off. So if it was on, turn it off. This option can sometimes ruin your keyboard settings, so make sure you turn it off. If that doesn't work, the second step is that you can simply go over to the start option again, right click and then select device manager. Once you do that, this device manager option or this pop-up window will pop up. Then what you're going to do now is that you're going to go over to the keyboards option, expand it by clicking on this arrow, and then as you can see, I have 3 entries, and your entries will depend on your laptop. So in this case, what you're going to do now is you're going to select the standard. So select the standard keyboard, right click on it and select the uninstall device, and then confirm the uninstall option and uninstall the device. Once you do that, you can then restart your laptop or PC and see if it works. If it doesn't work, the third option that you can simply do is by going over to the settings option and then go over to the Windows update and make sure there are no pending updates. If there are any pending updates, simply update them and that should fix your problem. So in the comment section, comment which option worked for you, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more helpful how-to tutorials. So that said, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.